Okay, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to try to make the paint of my new daily driver as good as possible, as new as possible. So let me show you the car first, I guess. So here's the vehicle. That's my 2003 BMW 325 Xi. It's my first Xi vehicle, first all-wheel drive BMW. So yeah, I already done some maintenance to the car. Did some basic service, oil change, and changed a couple of filters, that kind of stuff. The car is pretty clean. I actually got this car here locally at the auction. This is a one-owner car. Pretty good condition, even though it has really high miles. But you know, already been driving it for probably 4 or 5 days. Everything seems nice and healthy, I would say. The paint is in a pretty good condition, but still, since this is an old car and it's been sitting at the auction for quite some time and needs some attention, so I'm planning on restoring the paint a little bit, at least as much as I can. So the color is this nice dark blue. They call it Orient Blue. That's the name of the color in this BMW. And so pretty much what I'm going to do now is just going to wipe it down with some quick car detailer. Pretty much a good nice spray with some microfiber towel will be enough to prepare this car for paint correction. Probably not really gonna correct it too much, just gonna get rid of a couple of scratches and swirl marks with just regular compound and regular pad and a circular buffer. We'll see how good it's going to look. Kind of excited. I really hope it's gonna turn nicely. I don't think I can mess it up, so let's start wiping everything down, I guess. Okay, so pretty much I'm just going to use this smooth surface clay kit by these guys, and you know, it consists of just a clay bar and microfiber towel and a special quick detailer. This is pretty much ultimate quick mist and wipe. Should be fine, should be easy enough and enough for me to get rid of dust on the car. So pretty much just going to spray it all over it and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, which I have over here. Once it dries out, should be good enough for polish. So okay, so looks like now everything looks already better since I wiped down the whole body of the car except roof. Already nice and shiny. Got rid of it. Get rid of all of the dust and a little bit of contamination of the car. So finally you can actually see the color. I love this color actually. I really like it. Dark blue. Really nice. Okay, so and for now I'm just going to take my buffer with a little bit of compound and gonna go through the panels and we'll see if I'm gonna have any difference, if I'm actually gonna have any improvement as far as the way this car look. Okay, so I just tested this pad and a compound on the quarter panel. Actually looks really nice, and you can finally see the metallic flakes in the color since I got rid of all the surface scratches and the swirl marks. Now it actually looks really good. But as far as equipment, I just use regular circular buffer by Porter Cable, these guys, and just medium pad, regular one, nothing too fancy, nothing crazy. And for compound, I use these guys, remove scratches and surface defects. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. So I'm just going to finish up real quick. Not really convenient to film unless it's a time lapse, but yeah, the vehicle turning really nice, and paint actually looks really good and reflective enough to the point that it's actually almost like a mirror. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks for now, and I'm gonna finish up everything and wipe everything down, wipe the residue of the polishing compound, and that's going to be pretty much it. But here what it looks like for now. I already showed you this side. This one is nice and reflective. Of course, hood was the most challenging one, so it has the biggest amount of scratches and rock chips, but still looks shiny enough. And same with this side, nice and smooth and reflective, really nice. Paint looks even better than it was, really crispy and clean.